Hey guys, I'm Mike Watts, founder and CEO here at SlingGrip. I'm going to take you around the tour today and show you how we make sling grips right here in the USA. We have a team of amazing designers here to help your client's logo look amazing. We utilize a high quality sublimation printer to transfer the logo onto paper. One of the most popular features of the sling grip is the custom card. Your client gets to utilize the space on the back and the front of the card to extend their messaging. Now let's head up to the production room. We use a large form roll press to transfer the print from the sublimation paper onto our proprietary elastic. Next up, we have this machine that uses lasers to measure and cut each piece perfectly every time. Full color imprint included at no additional charge. At SlingGrip, we have developed proprietary equipment to manufacture on-site your custom prints so that we can do them fast and the highest quality. We've even automated the carding process for the custom cards. And here it is, the finished product. Ships just like this for your client. They're going to be able to have the ultimate promotional product to give out a gift that keeps on giving and gives the messaging that they so deeply desire. So why not give SlingGrip a try? We're here to support you and your clients and help them get their brand in the hands of their key clients.